about 5 to 8 minutes, and then you flip it, and then you do the same process again until it becomes basically almost done. You don't want to cook it done because when you let it rest, it'll continue cooking.
Okay, well, honey. Okay. Hey everybody, this is your girl Zanovia, and as you can see from the title, I am going to cook for my anniversary. I was going to say for my husband's anniversary, but it's our anniversary. So guys, what we're cooking today is salmon. We're going to have some broccoli, some rice, just a simple meal. But I want to show you how I actually cook my salmon, and hopefully you like. My husband came and gave me this chef knife. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but okay. I just got a regular carving knife. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I'm gonna use, and then we're gonna get started. So we're gonna use this right here. It's called Magic Shrimp Seasoning. Okay, it's low on salt. In fact, let me see, the sodium is 4%. Okay, and I'm going to use some lemon pepper. Okay, and some complete Badea, complete seasoning. That's low on salt as well. Some onion powder. Some adobo by Goya. I'm going to use that, and of course black pepper. Gotta have. Okay, and lastly, we're going to use this Stonewall Kitchen garlic teriyaki sauce, which is really, really good. You see it's almost gone because we have been using it. But this is going to be the coat that I'm going to put on it after I grill the salmon. Okay guys, so you see this electric griddle in front of me. So the only way that we can actually cook together on the island in our kitchen is to actually cook on this griddle. So this is what we will be cooking on. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so right now I have just put the salmon on the grill, and you have to make sure your grill is hot for you to put it on. Now you want to put the skin side on first, and then after that then you wait at least 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes, about 8 minutes, about 8 minutes, right babe? About 8 minutes, and then you turn it over, and then you want to make sure both sides are cooked, and then that's when you add your teriyaki marinade sauce that we already mixed up. Okay, so we're going to add that after we get it grilled a little bit, like medium, something like that. Okay, all right guys. Okay, so we're going to turn it down a little bit, or we're going to leave it hot?
So leave it there for a while, baby, until it starts to cook. And then once it cooks, then you gotta make sure this.
Okay, guys. So my husband was trying to explain to me how to cook the salmon. So you want to keep the temperature up to 350, and after you keep it up to 350, then for a while, let's say about 5 minutes.
Yeah, you want to cook it for about 350 for a while, about 5 to 8 minutes, and then you flip it, and then you do the same process again until it becomes basically almost done. You don't want to cook it done, because when you let it rest, it'll continue cooking.
Okay, well, honey. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
He's looking at me like that because it's our anniversary and he want to hurry up and cook so that we can eat. Okay, so what we're going to do is just wait, at least like he said, a few minutes, like 5 minutes, something like around that time. We're going to flip it over, and then we're going to put the marinade on it, on the salmon, and then we're going to continue to let it cook. I guess we want it glazed. We want it glazed.
You want to almost do that last like a finish.
Okay, he said do it last like a finishing. Okay, guys. So that's what we're going to do. All right. I think that's about it. So guys, I'm going to pause this for a minute until we come back, okay? And by that time, about that time, you will see that it's nice and grilled. And this is a thick cut, you see? Thick cut. Alrighty. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, let's talk about something. So while we're waiting for the salmon to cook, I want to say to those who are married out there that's in a couple, maybe you're not married, maybe you are coupled up or whatever the case may be, and you're getting ready to celebrate an anniversary or anything like that. Let me tell you guys, going out to dinner is fine for some people, but it is so romantic for you to cook with your spouse or with your significant other, okay, for you to cook with them so that you can show them how much love you have for them, that you can actually stand in the kitchen with them and actually cook. How many people can do that, okay? So if you have you have a comment or anything at the bottom, you have any questions in reference to what we are doing, then leave a comment. Yes, and we're going to finish cooking, okay, guys? Alrighty. I am going to put some butter on both of these. This is unsalted butter. Now make sure you do not put salted, because you'll make your salmon salty. So you don't want to do that. So my husband said, okay, I'm going to give you what you want, because it is your anniversary. So he decided to give me some butter. So I like butter on my salmon. I love cooking with butter on my salmon. I'm going to scoop this one. I'm going to put that. Keep that over there with my friend here. You want to leave some space so they will cook individually. I'll turn off this plate. Here's some more active plate here. Okay, you see how that butter is going through that salmon? Looks great. I love butter on my salmon. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm actually coating the salmon with my marinade, which is the teriyaki, the garlic teriyaki sauce. Now you can see that I added some ginger, and I added some more garlic, fresh garlic, and I'm going to let it cook out. And then what I'm going to do is turn it over so it can get like a little glaze. But you don't have to turn it over. You can still like cook it like just like this, and it'll still have that flavor. Okay guys, here is the final result of our bold glazed salmon. Don't it look great? And we are ready to eat. Thank you guys for coming to my channel to watch me make our bold glazed salmon.